Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share a small Hobby Lobby haul. Everything I got was on sale. So first thing I got was these mini ink storage tins. They're Tim Holtz. They were 40% off of this price here. And I got them because I don't use my ink very often. I haven't been any lately anyway. So I just wanted to be able to just store them away and take them out when I was ready to use them. So I know a lot of people have already seen these, but that's what they look like, and it has a little plastic in the middle. You can actually use this for other stuff too. Like, that's what I'm using mine for. I got 2 of them. And I got the big one. And this one is about 8.5 inches long and 5 inches wide. Same thing. And I wish I would have noticed. I didn't notice it right away, but it's dented right in here. But so the price was $11.99, but it was 40% off of that price. And this is what it looks like. This is where you put the inks. So I got those, and then I got. Okay, so I got these little cups. They were $3.99, 40% off from the spring shop. There's 5 of them. These are good for like beads and stuff like that, but that's not what I got it for. I actually got it for food, like sauces and things like that. So that's why I got that. Jewelry stuff was 50% off. Their beads were not on sale this week. They have a bunch of new stuff for their jewelry as well as beads, but I'll have to go back on the day that they're on sale. So first I'm going to share the 2 items that were on clearance that I got. So these Czech glass beads I got, they were $2.24 on clearance. Regular price they were $8.99. I got this little guy here. I wish I would have got a second one. It was $1.99. All the jewelry shop was 50% off. So I got these really cute wire bead cages, which I can share how to make these. Let me just show you guys, because I actually know how to make these. But they were only $2, so I don't know, they're stuck together. Here they are. They're really cute. I got 2 different sizes. They had these end springs. These are actually good to hold your string from your bead sliding off. But why these look like you can use them as bindings? It's almost like you can use them as end to the cord. I don't know, but those are new. They never had those before, and they were $2. Jump rings, silver plated. This is new. They never had silver plated before, and they're starting to bring it into the store. So I got these jump rings. They're 6mm closed jump rings. This is very, very good for like jewelry, like bracelets and necklaces. I had this 2 connector beads. And then I picked up these cord ends, really pretty. Some 6mm split rings. The silver plated toggle clasp. These heart shape findings. I bought one. They were $2, but they're super cute. The silver plated jump rings. I think I bought 2 of these. The same size. Yep. Silver plated crimp beads. They're 2mm. These silver plated crimp tube beads. Silver plated 9mm heavy gauge jump rings. Then from their jewelry shop, all of the jewelry shop was on sale. I got this 18 karat gold plated bracelets, these 2 here. They're stainless steel, really pretty, and they were only $5 each. That was a good deal. I got the chain as well. It's the chain, and it was half off of $11.99. I got these rings. One is gold plating with stainless steel, and the other one is stainless steel. They had only size 10s and size 8s, and these were only $3. Well, one was $3 and one was $2.50. Okay. I got this really pretty dainty bracelet, stainless steel, herringbone, only $2.50. Now it says that it's a 7-inch bracelet, but it feels more like a 6-inch or 6.5 inch. But, and then the last, I have bought some bangles. Only bought 1 of these, but I wish I'd have bought more. This was $2.50 on sale. This is stainless steel, and these gold ones are gold plated stainless steel. So yeah, that's what I got. They got a bunch of new stuff. If you haven't been in, you need to go check it out. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.